So in this video, I'm going to talk to you about leads and accounts in Zoho. And the objective is that by the end of this, you'll understand when to use leads and when to set up accounts, and a brief understanding of the difference between the two sets of functionality. Now, as we know, Zoho is an operating system for your entire business. They have over 40 apps, there's about 45 million users worldwide. And as a result, Zoho does has a lot of functionality that lots of different companies can use. And we focus particularly in the marketing, sales and service areas. And as a result, the functionality that we focus on supplements the work that we do around customer service, customer focus, customer retention, all within our core concepts of customer first. And in this video, I'm going to talk to you a little bit about leads and accounts. We've already done other videos separately on leads, but once you've got a lead, I'm going to talk to you a little bit about why you're going to convert that into an account. So if we look at this example, we've got a lead here, and the lead is somebody that we talked about who is a potential customer, a potential person that we have an interest in, and we capture some information about them. So, you know, there's a name and address, email details, there's a status there you can see on that screen. You know, if we've set up some activities, maybe we've talked about planning some follow-ups with them, set up meetings, maybe some emails and things like this. You know, all that, and also, you know, we identify which products they might be interested in, and all these things we can capture within the lead. Maybe we sent them some surveys, some feedback surveys, or maybe we sent them something to review and, you know, get an understanding of what their problems are. We can also see on this screen here whenever they visited our website and had a web chat. So we've got a sales IQ tracking history there, and at the bottom there you can see the Eventbrite orders. So if this lead has booked onto an event we've run, or a course, or a webinar, all of that gets tracked within the lead record. And the reason why we do all of these things is that once you had that lead, we talked about setting up a lead and having a qualification process. So all of that information, you know, you can capture within the lead. And as I say, there are other videos that we've done which explain that in more detail. But now we're talking about the situation when that lead is actually going to become a customer. And when I say a customer, so they're no longer a prospect, they're now somebody who is buying from you. So now what happens is, because this person has become a customer, we want to have a different kind of relationship with that person. And as such, we're going to hold some different information. So when you convert a lead into an account, it brings across all the information that we've got already. So all that history comes across, but also it opens up other options. So for instance, one of the options is that it opens up a quotes section. And in the quotes, if there's some deals that you're working on with that customer, you can create those deals as quotes, and it will track those deals for you. And you can also see as a company what your sales pipeline looks like. You can raise invoices and sales orders for that customer from this account now. And, you know, in doing so, it tracks all that information in the same place. And what it also does is it allows you to copy over all their previous history. So when we have previously sent them a survey, and if we send them a new survey, all that information gets accumulated again, all against the same account. And the other thing it allows you to do is, if you have any dispute cases with that customer, you can track them, because now you're buying and selling things with them. You might have disputes with them. And if you choose to use a Zoho Desk functionality, which is like a help desk functionality, so if you sold a product and a customer has a defect, or a customer has a problem with the product they're using, they can raise a ticket from their own side and send it to you, and you can manage all that information together. So what are we saying in summary? We're saying that a lead is somebody who is a prospective customer, and maybe you're having just a courtship with them, you're warming them up to buy something off you. But when you get into that situation that you're actually buying and selling with them, when they become a proper customer, in that situation we convert them over to an account, and having converted them over to an account, all the previous history is copied over, and it opens up more options for you. And in those options, it allows you to do the sales invoicing, the deals quoting, the tracking of defects and things like that. Now, hopefully that made sense, and there are other videos that we've got up which will explain more about functionality with Zoho. If you click on our link on our page, we've got a link for you that you can come and try Zoho for free, and we've got other training on that website as well. So, and if you've got any questions about what you've seen in this video, or if you're interested in finding out more about how Zoho could be used by you or your company, then give us a shout, and we're more than happy to set up a demo for you, have a call, and maybe show you a bit more about Zoho, and let's see how Zoho could help increase your efficiency and productivity of your business.